Okay.
Okay.
So, my road trip vacation, Crested Butte. Crested Butte is a beautiful place that was formed by a volcanic eruption. Paint mines. The paint mines were formed by the erosion caused ice. Cave of the Winds. Limestone fell and created pockets. Red Rock Canyon. Sand and gravel washed down from the ancestral Rocky Mountains to form alluvial deposits. Okay. So first, Crested Butte. Crested Butte. The rocks in Crested Butte was created by the cooling of... Record this stupid thing! Record the website!
I'm recording you talking too.
The rocks in Crested Butte was created by the cooling of magma that then the rock that Crested Butte is made of is igneous rock. The creation of Crested Butte was slow because the magma had to cool down. I know Crested Butte was created by the cooling of magma because the mountain is mostly made of quartz monzonite, which is made by the cooling of magma. There is also volcanic rock on the mountain, which probably means that a volcanic event happened here. I think that Crested Butte in 50 to 100 years will look a little smaller than it is right now, because the rocks on the mountain will probably erode away. And then we got some pictures.
Nice.
And then it's located here. There's Crested Butte. Well, let me move it. There it is.
Oh, nice.
So now, go to the paint mines.
Paint mines. Uh-oh. Wah, wah, wah.
Frick. No,
No,
not supposed to
we're
happen.
not cussing.
I'm not cussing.
This is when we break for commercial.
Right? Okay. Please.
Oh, there it is. Nice.
The paint mines. The paint mines have been subjected to erosion from wind, water, ice, and chemical weathering. Gradually wear away the softer layers of clay stone and siltstone. The paint mines are made of clay deposits containing iron oxides that color the clay red, yellow, and purple. The soft clay erodes easily, leaving behind many monoliths known as hoodoos, where Dawson Arco's sandstone caps protect portions of clay from erosion. Weathering made this landform. I know this because when it rained, the rocks broke down and made these beautiful structures. This landform took a while to make because the rocks had to break down. I think that in 50 to 100 years, the paint mines will probably look the same as it does now. The historical significance is that many tribes lived around the area. And then the paint mines is located here.
So it has a
Google,
location.
please.
Yay,
Okay.
it's working.
It's located there.
Is that in Colorado?
Yep. All of these are in Colorado. It's pretty far, but it's fine.
Okay. Is it close to Crested Butte?
No, it's way closer. Cave of the Winds. Cave of the Winds was formed by limestone that ended up breaking up and falling in the water to create pockets. The limestone in the Cave of the Winds was formed by shells pushing together and being really compacted and then formed into limestone. This landform was made by limestone falling into the water and making pockets. I know this because in the cave there are jagged edges, which shows evidence that limestone broke off and broke down in the water. This landform formed slowly because limestone had to break down, fall in the water, and then break down, fall in the water, and then break down over millions of years. I think that in 50 to 100 years it will look the same because it takes a while for rocks to break down. This landform was made by weathering, and the rock type is sedimentary because the shells compacted into limestone. And the Cave of Winds is located here.
On Google. Just kidding.
Right here.
Oh, yeah.
See, Dad, I remember when we walked up that path and then went in the cave. That was really cool. Anyways, up here. Okay. Red Rock Canyon. Red Rock Canyon. The rocks are sedimentary because the stuff had to build up and create this landform. Sand compressed over millions of years and became what we see today. I know that sand was compacted to make this landform because of the evidence left behind by the rocks on the cliff. This landform was slow. This landform was formed slow because it had to form over millions of years. I think that in 50 to 100 years it'll look the same because the process took a while to do what we see today. So it'll probably take a while to notice any differences. The process that made these landforms was the old Rocky Mountains eroding up again to make these landforms. Eroding is the natural process that moves sediment from one place to another. And then it's located there. So, if we scroll down here, we got directions. So here's where we are. I'll go like up here, and then down here, visit Red Rocks, visit Cave of the Winds, and then drive all the way to Crescent Butte, and then come back. Gas. For a 2011 Hyundai Elantra Touring, we can go 23 miles per gallon. The car holds 14 gallons of tank, $42 per tank. If we want to go 488 miles, we would need to spend $84 to go to all the locations and back. Food. Our McDonald's meal is $20.38, and times it by 2, we get $40.76. Then if we eat every 4 hours, that is for the first 8 hours, and then on the way home we'll get Chick-fil-A for $37.97, and in total is $78.73 for food. Hotel. In Crescent Butte, there's a hotel for $184, and it's called Elk Mountain Lodge, and we'll stay there, and it's located there. There. In total, it will cost $346.73.
Oops.
About, because gas
Approximately.
prices.
Yes.
It'll probably be like $350 because gas is like $5
Just rounding it up.
for like a gallon.
So is that the end of your presentation?
That's the end of my website.
End of your website? Okay, that is awesome. I
You should
didn't.
go see Tristan's now.
Yes. Is he in this room? Is he right behind me?
Tristan, let my mom see your presentation. Why?